Put her down just a little bit. Not much. Right over here. Works good if you try and line it up as close as you can get it, but it doesn't always work that way. You can lay it down easy. And see if it wants to go in one. A lot of times it'll go into one. It'll go into one.
Looks like it went in.
Yeah, most of it did. The this thing may have gone in right here. Yeah, that one's in, pretty much. But except a lot of times the other side doesn't go in the way it should. Get one in there.
So you just crank it up a little bit and line it again. And
It's got 7. Let's do that. Push that in there. That hit that. This one made it here. And sometimes it doesn't always do it. So I got those two lined up. And that's nice. There. Locked into there. And that's in there. That's in that one. Sometimes it doesn't always line up. But
right.
Let me do a little breaker bar to coach us in there. Anyway, I'll get that one cleaned up, and what I do is to disconnect this. Wait a minute, I just got to tighten it up a little bit. Raise it up a little bit and be all right. Oh, just like there. Here. You try it now. That button. There it goes. When you're done with that contraption, and this thing here, it's not quite ready. You just have to kind of bolt this thing. I'll put that here.
these things while I'm out anyway. Yeah, that one's in. So the only one left is that one in the front. Just did that. So right now we got the hitch in. They put the safety pins in.
And this was easier than just me doing it?
Well, if you don't have a forklift handy, this works pretty good.
That's pretty.
And I did all myself.
Right. That's why I'm videotaping it, because I'm like, this is cool. Only $2,000 and this can be yours.
Well, you pay about, actually what you need to do it is that little ball, that fifth wheel hitch thing is about 15 bucks. You get on Amazon. Then that thing here is Harbor Freight. Get a 2-ton unit there, and you get it for about $239.
Oh,
and that's what it costs. So for about less than 250 bucks, and then the chain, you get some chain,
right,
with some locks. So I figure around 250 bucks, you got everything that'll work, and it'll work all itself.
right.
You don't have to go to a shop. You don't have to. You can't lift it. I mean, you can't lift it yourself. This thing weighs almost well over 200 pounds.
Wow. And even if you could, it's so awkward. You can.
And then the other thing too, which is nice with this, is that when I get it in there, I can roll it around anywhere I want in the garage.
Right.
And when I do that, I can put it wherever I want. So right now, it is 100% in there. Taking it out takes about half as much time as it does to put it in, maybe less than half. And right there's all I need. Right there, it's all done, 100%.
Wow.
All I do is grease it.